Okay, we're going to use a two-step equation to describe the situation, this real life situation that you can see. And in this one, we can see that Timmy is visiting the county fair today. The entry fee to get into that fair is $25, and tickets for rides are $3 each. We're going to write an equation that will calculate the total cost for Timmy's day at the fair. I'm going to start with T, not for Timmy, but T is going to be the total cost. So we have T is equal to, now what we have is we have two things. One thing we have is and I'm going to choose a different color here. We have the $25 and we have the $3 each. Okay, we got these two things. Now, one of them is going to happen, one of these fees is going to happen one time, and the other fee is going to happen repeatedly. And hopefully you can guess, it's the $25 is going to happen one time, and the $3 is going to happen repeatedly. And so this is what we do. We have the $25 just to get in, and then that's going to be plus the $3 for each ticket. And but we don't know how many tickets he's buying. We know he's spending $25 to get in, but we don't know how many tickets he's buying. So to calculate the total cost, it would be 25 plus 3 times, and we'll call this 3 times x. And x is the number of rides. So number of rides Timmy will take. And so in the end, this is our two-step equation that we have come up that will describe the situation above for Timmy and the fair. And that's it. Thanks for watching.